today, nah, ain't gonna be doing any hair tutorials or any makeup tutorials for this video, but I'm gonna be sharing with you some products that I received, and it is from Sugarplum Box. So let's get into the video. So Sugarplum Box is a lifestyle subscription box that is based here in Jamaica, and it's like your typical subscription boxes that you have in the US, like Pop Sugar, Birchbox, Ipsy, all of those. Now the box typically consists of 5 to 7 items, and they can range from beauty products, skincare products, food, just anything that has to do with lifestyle. So you get your boxes on a monthly basis, and each box has a different theme each month. So I'll be reviewing the August box, and it is gold themed. So as you can see, it has a nice little teal box and has the gold cover and a ribbon. Now the packaging is really cute, and you can always keep your box and use for something else. So let's get into what you get in this box. So the first thing you see when you open the box is your postcard, and this one is themed for the box. Living my life like it's golden, to play on the theme, and of course it's branded Sugarplum, and it has a little message on the back, and it reads, "Hello love, roses are red, violets are blue. We have a few more things in store for you," and it has a coupon there that you can use when they have their next gold edition box that is soon to come. The inside shows you a list of all the items that you can expect to see in the box. So this is the Luminous Face Kit. It has a gold label on it. It says, "Ooh baby." Now this would be the turmeric face mask, as you can see from the color. So turmeric is really good for your skin, guys. You can use it to just even out your skin tone, you know, tone down discoloration, a lot of different health benefits. So this face mask is really helpful. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited. The other item from the kit is face cream, and this one is more moisture. It smells like vanilla. This box smells so good, guys. When I get to the items, you'll see, but the box smells delicious. So this is just a face cream, and it comes with a moisturizing face serum. So the face serum is coconut and jelly scented, and it smells so good. You'll probably want to eat your face off once you put it on. And of course, guys, as I said, this is Jamaican made. The description on it is so cute. It says, "Made in Jamaica with positive thoughts, aloe vera and cucumber extracts, plus or special organic coconut oil blend and vitamin E." Positive thoughts, so cute. So this is it, guys. And then the final thing in the kit is the golden collagen eye mask. People putting these under their eyes just to make it a lot less puffy and to take away all that dark circles, so you can have a more lively look on your eyes. I'm really excited to try these. And of course, and the kit comes with a little face scrub that you can use just to put in that face cream on your face and do a gentle exfoliate. So that's all that's in the face cream. So that's 10,000 products, and that's just considered one thing. So the second thing that I have for you guys in the box is the gold-plated Brazilian jersey, which is this here. I think this pendant is so gorgeous. As it says, it does have an earthy tone. It's very naturally textured. It's just gorgeous. Like, look at this. Well, you can't see it against my chunky necklace, but it would be good. It would be a good layering effect because it's so gorgeous. So these are the customizable pieces that come in the box. It's a cute little notebook, and of course you could add your name to it. So when you order the box, you would tell them what it is that you want to put on the book, and they would add that. And this is just a luggage tag, and it says, "Here we go," with a little airplane on it. And of course, instead of filling out those little paper things on your luggage, you could always put this on, and this is customizable as well. You could put your name and your phone number on it, just so that the same information that you would have on your luggage tag. But this is far more cute. Look at this, it's so gorgeous. So the next thing that comes in the box is this Living My Life Like It's Golden soy candle. So this is made in Jamaica and handmade, so you know say a beer love in it. When I tell you say the candle smell good, like when I tell you say the candle smell good, you can imagine you come home and your house smell like this. I wish you could have smelled it. So good, it smells so good, and you get a little oil with it just so you can add more, so you can make the candle more fragrant, and the oil itself smells good too. So when you light your candle, you can put a few drops of this on your candle and it will make the scent stronger. And it comes in with this cute little packaging. I just love the little details in this box. And there you have it. And the final thing in the box is this Merchants and Home makeup bag, and it has the MH for the Merchants and Home, and it says sometimes you can take it with you. So you can always put your key makeup items in this for traveling or anywhere on your day, maybe for your daily makeup bag, and it's so cute. So if you're interested in purchasing the subscription box, there are 3 subscription options. You can do it on a monthly basis, or you can pay 3 months and 6 months in advance, and you'll just get all your shipments made to you. So the box costs only $39, and there is no extra charge for delivery, so you have nothing to worry about. All you need is that $39 to get your box. And if you think about all the cool items that you get, it really is a steal, guys. You get to try out a horde of different products from different top brands in Jamaica as well as worldwide brands. I know they've had Shea Moisture on their polarized, they even had like polarized cameras, guys. They have Corksicle, they've had Eden, they've had so many major brands in the box. So you do get to try out a number of well-known products and just get a taste of it for only $39. Now the payment options that are available to you are PayPal, BNS transfer, and cash in store. So you can, at Earth Elements, you can go to Earth Elements and purchase your box as well. So Sugarplum Box is currently only available in Jamaica, but they're currently working on some logistics to have it available all over, so you guys can look out for that. But you can keep up with Sugarplum Box on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat to find out when it is that they do have worldwide shipping available. Okay guys, so that's all that I have for you for Sugarplum Box today. Remember that you can always check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat at Sugarplum Box, and I'll link them below just so it's easier for you to visit their page. And if you're super excited about all the things that I showed you in the box today, you can look out for my 1000 subscriber giveaway, because I will be giving away one of these boxes, so you can look out for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll try Sugarplum Box. Guys, they give you so much cool stuff, like for real, for real. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye.